Well, welcome back, everybody. Let's go ahead and get right into it again. Of course, first on the broken record side of things, we had the negative divergence that we talked about, and I like to continue to see the volatility we had. Now, this also went ahead and led to a very powerful follow-up message. It's great to go ahead and talk about these things in advance and then see them come to fruition again. So we've talked to you at length about this channel over and over again like a broken record. Well, look what happened. We only had the one bar close below it over here. So I would have shot an important emergency video last night if we'd broken back down there below there again, because I would have said, hey gang, if we get another bar down below there, we got big problems. But what it did was the low of the day was right to virtually to the tick, as you can see, to the rising channel. So from there, what are you looking to do? Well, we're looking to see if we get right back up above the speed lines there for fresh re-entry opportunities. But as I've been saying all along, because of this volatility, because of the negative divergences, so what's happening is you're getting these big negative divergences that are causing these big pullbacks, and then it takes several days for a resumption. So from my perspective, I've been avoiding the underlying, the SPY options, as we've been talking about repeatedly over and over and over again, because look what's happened now with all this activity. We've been sitting here for several days, a couple weeks now of trading activity. Meanwhile, if you go back to think about the video I shot for you the other day, I highlighted in advance that we were seeing on Wealth Finder, we were going ahead and seeing these great opportunities that have presented themselves on BKNG. I talked to you about EXPE, Expedia there, Booking.com. I told you that some of the travel ones, Marriott, I told you that the travel ones were going out in the last video I did. Go check it out for yourself. Well, look what happened today. First of all, on Monday, the Friday, you had a classic inventory retracement bar breakout. So if I put the inventory, the IRBs on there, you would see that we broke out there. Then it went ahead and made yesterday a reverse inventory retracement bar. What did it do? Shot up here very nicely, roughly $120 plus more to the upside there today. All right, and we talked about this days and days ago using all the classic Rob Hoffman strategies and methodologies. So that's why I keep telling you the focus is on finding things like that. I could pull up the ITP indicators. You can see how incredible they were with this. You got the indicators here with the scanners, flying off the shelf with screaming, buys. So just a lot of really great stuff here, and all these strategies continuing to work exactly like we want them to, right down to the channel trading idea. It bounced right back off there with a reverse inventory retracement bar, went right back to the buy side above the speed lines. So then, anything on the buy side that I'm finding in Wealth Finder is already right there that we're focusing on. So a lot of great stuff, and this is why I keep saying these messages in advance, sharing these different ideas like I did with the travel industry the other day. And man, look what's happening here again, like with Booking, for instance. And you get the same thing with EXPE. It's rallying there as well. Not as well from my perspective as Booking, but they're all, those are moving up there nicely. So great stuff, gang. Keep learning from this every day. And speaking of learning, don't forget this Friday morning, Lori and Ziad are going to be covering this from a swing trade perspective and from an options perspective here. This was a really nice class that we did back in December, and it had some of the most rave reviews, by third parties, by basically people besides myself in quite a while. And so we're going to go ahead and repeat that this Friday morning here, where Lori's going to go ahead and cover options, and Ziad's going to cover the swing trading side of things. So you're going to get a really nice lineup here this coming Friday morning. So it won't be me personally doing all the teaching, but it'll be these guys, and I know a lot of you guys just love like Lori and Ziad and their styles. So looking forward to having you guys there. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. becomeabettertrader.com/yes, and we'll look forward to seeing you at that special event here this coming Friday morning. And in the meantime, just keep thinking about things I was sharing with you here, again, in advance, in these strategies, how these work and how we focus on these, because you continue to see them happening over and over again. That's why I like to tell you these things in advance, and then you kind of see how it plays out, so you can learn and you can understand understand you can learn these things and really grow in the trading investment community. So look forward to seeing you here Friday morning, gang. BecomeABetterTrader.com/yes. Have a great night, everybody. Bye bye.